Hi everyone, in this video we'll discuss about module 3 single phase transformers problems. So here we have a problem. The first problem is a 50 kVA transformer has N1 is to N2 is equal to 300 is to 20. That is primary number of turns is to secondary number of turns. Primary number of turns is 300, secondary number of turns is 20. The primary winding is connected to a 2200 volts 50 hertz supply. Calculate first one secondary voltage on no load. Second one, approximate value of primary and secondary currents on full load. And third one is the maximum value of the flex, right? So V2 you have to find out, I1 I2 values you have to find out. Next one, pi value you have to find out. So this one asked in July 2006, 6 months. So same type of problems also asked in recent exams also. So first you write given data, S is equal to 50 kVA, N1 by N2 is equal to 300 by 20, V1 is equal to 2200 volts, F is equal to 50 hertz. So these are the values are given in the problem. So coming to the first one, turns ratio K is equal to N2 by N1, already we discussed in 3D part. That is equal to 0.0667 you will get. Secondary voltage V2 is equal to K into V1. So K is equal to V2 by V1, right? From that V2 is equal to K into V1. So that value you will get 146.67 volts. I1 V1 is equal to kV, I2 V2 is equal to kVA, right? So I1 is equal to kVA by V1, I2 is equal to kVA by V2. So here we have this one I1 and I2 values, right? So substitute kVA and V1, will get I1 is equal to 22.7 amperes. So I2 is equal to 340.9 amperes. Then pi m. So we have a formula, right? E1 is equal to N1 into pi m. Here so E1 is equal to 4.44 N1 pi m into F. So according to this formula, so pi is equal to E1 by 4.44 N1 into F. Substitute E1 F N1 values in this relation, you will get pi m is equal to 33 milliweber. This is one of the important problem. So next problem we will see the maximum efficiency at full load and unity power factor of a single phase of 250 kVA 50 Hz 500 volts bar 1000 volts 50 Hz transformer is 98%. Determine its efficiency at 75% load, 0.9 power factor, and second one is 50% load, 0.8 power factor. First you write the given data. Efficiency at maximum is equal to 98%. V2 I2 value is I2 V2 value is equal to 25 kVA. So maximum efficiency when you will get when copper losses is equal to iron losses. Efficiency formula here pi mu is equal to I2 V2 cos pi by I2 V2 cos pi plus WCU plus WI when maximum efficiency condition, right? So by that you find out the WI. So substitute efficiency and I2 V2 values and cos pi, you will get WI is equal to 255.1 watts, right? This is the one. So coming to the 75% of load, we have a efficiency at X load formula. X into I2 V2 cos pi divided by X into I2 V2 cos pi plus WI plus X square WC, right? So substitute the X value is 0.75, power factor 0.9, right? So substitute values in this relation, you will get efficiency at 70% full load is 97.7%, and coming to the 50% of load, x is equal to 0.5. Substitute x values, I2 V2 values in x load formula. So 50% of full load is equal to 96.9% efficiency you will get, right? So these are the formulas, so these are the problems are very important. Next, one more important problem. So this is very important. Many times they ask in your VTU examinations. A 40 kVA single phase transformer has core loss of 450 watts and full load copper losses of 850 watts. If the power factor of the load is 0.8, calculate first one full load efficiency and second one maximum efficiency at UPF, and third one load for maximum efficiency. Load for maximum efficiency means at which load you will get maximum efficiency from the transformer. That load value we have to find out, right? So here first you write the what are the values given in the problem, that is given data. Wi is equal to 450 watts and Wc is equal to 850 watts, and rating of the transformer I2 V2 is equal to 440 kVA. Present power factor is 0.8. Full load efficiency. So full load efficiency means x value is equal to 1. So efficiency full load formula is I2 V2 cos pi divided by I2 V2 cos pi plus Wi plus WCU. Substitute the values and find out the full load efficiency. So substituting we will get 96.09%. Let maximum efficiency occurs at load x times the full load at which we should have, so WCU is equal to Wi. So maximum efficiency condition is W copper loss is equal to iron loss. Here x maximum x load is equal x times x square WCU. X is equal to root of Wi by WCU, right? So you will get root of 450 divided by 850 is equal to 0.728. So that is the maximum efficiency, so that is the load for maximum efficiency. So now we will find out the efficiency, sorry, that is the x value, right? So here maximum efficiency at unity power factor is maximum efficiency is equal to x into I2 V2 cos pi divided by x into I2 V2 cos pi plus Wi plus W x square and WCU. Substitute all values and we will get this one. Maximum efficiency at which is 0.97 you will get, right? So maximum efficiency is different and full load efficiency is different, right? Next one, load for maximum efficiency is x into I2 V2. X value is 0.72, that is the load. So substitute I2 V2 here, we will get 30.32 kVA. 30.32 kVA transformer will produce the maximum efficiency, right? So this is the problems. So next problems we'll see in next video, right? Thank you.